On my 18th birthday, my parents told me they spent 95% of my trust fund on my sister's weddings. Hope you understand. So I sued them and destroyed everything they built. My parents sat me down after birthday dinner. Mom had made lasagna. She only cooked elaborate meals when softening bad news. About your trust fund, Dad said. We need to talk about your expectations. My grandfather had set up trust funds for all 3 grandkids, $50,000 each in 1998. Grown for 18 years. I'd planned my college strategy around it. Your sisters both got married recently, Mom said. Beautiful weddings, very expensive. We had to make difficult financial decisions. My hands went cold. How much is left? Dad slid me a statement. $8,472. Out of what should have been $142,000, they'd burned through 95% for my sister's Instagram weddings and condo down payments. Family means making sacrifices, Mom said. When you get married someday, they'll return the favor. Did they know? I asked. Did Victoria and Ashley know you were spending my trust fund? The pause told me everything. They knew. My sisters knew they were spending my future on wedding flowers. I went to my room and started planning. Not revenge. Planning like it was an engineering problem. I researched trust law that night. Trustees have fiduciary duties. They can't spend education funds on weddings. That's legally actionable breach. Sunday morning while they were at church, I raided Dad's office. Found the trust documents. Funds to be used exclusively for post-secondary education expenses. Not weddings. Education. I photographed everything. Bank statements showing massive withdrawals during both weddings. Built a timeline cross-referencing their wedding dates. Monday, I called law firms. Met with Eric, a trust litigation specialist. He reviewed my evidence. This is actionable. You can sue for the full amount plus damages. What about my sisters? If we prove they knew it violated trust terms, they're liable too. Include them. That's scorched earth. Good. 2 weeks later, Eric filed. My parents and sisters were served. My phone exploded. Dad, you owe this family loyalty. Drop the lawsuit. Victoria, you're suing me over a wedding? I didn't respond. Communication went through attorneys only. Discovery was devastating. The text messages came out. Victoria to Mom. Can we use Finn's fund? He's only 15. He won't even know. Ashley, can we use Finn's trust for the $20,000 down payment? I'll pay back eventually. Timestamped. Proving they specifically targeted my fund. At depositions, Mom admitted she knew the trust specified education only. Asked why she violated those terms. I didn't think Finn would mind. She spent $134,000 and didn't think I'd mind. Victoria claimed she didn't know where the money came from. Eric showed her the texts. She went pale. Ashley said the money was family assets, and Grandpa would have wanted us to support each other. Eric asked for evidence. She had none. Their lawyer pushed for settlement. Repay $134,000 over 5 years if I dropped my sisters. No, we go to trial. Trial started March 12th. Eric showed the documents, withdrawals, timeline, texts, methodical, and devastating. My parents' attorney argued post-secondary education could include family support. Judge Harrison interrupted. Are you arguing a wedding is post-secondary education? He backtracked immediately. My parents tried playing victim. Eric questioned them with their financial records. Luxury cars, country club, $2,000 monthly discretionary spending. If money was tight, why the expensive lifestyle? Dad couldn't answer. My sisters invoked Fifth Amendment. Anything they said could expose them to criminal fraud charges. 2 weeks later, Eric called. We won. $134,000 actual damages, $45,000 punitive, $28,000 legal fees. Total, $207,000. The judgment destroyed them. Parents filed bankruptcy. Had to sell the house. After mortgage payoff, they cleared $185,000. My $207,000 judgment meant they netted negative $22,000. They moved to a rental apartment. Luxury cars repossessed. Now driving an old Toyota sedan. My sisters sold their condos. Victoria's husband filed for divorce over the $44,500 debt. Ashley's fiance called off their engagement. Dad sent one email. You destroyed the family over money. I replied, you chose money when you stole my trust fund. I just chose to get it back. Blocked them. Dad works 2 jobs now. Mom got fired. Victoria moved to Texas. Ashley moved back with parents. We're not in contact. I finished my degree. Got an engineering job. No debt. People ask if the money was worth losing my family. Wrong question. I lost them when they stole from me and expected me to smile. The lawsuit just made it official.